Hey y'all, I'm Kate with saltykatie.com, and today we're going to revamp my command center. So let's do it. So, a command center, if you've never heard of it, is basically a space in your house to help you and your family stay more organized. It's a place that, you know, your mail goes, your keys go, your purse stays there. You could have a calendar. It's basically one space where you can sort of put whatever you need to get out the door in the morning. You could put your meal plan there. It's a sort of an organizational situation that helps your house run more smoothly. Okay y'all, so here's our drop zone as it stands right now. This is just a kitchen table that was given to us for free. Thanks, Pop. I'm using the hell out of it. It works pretty good. The problem is it kind of juts out into the room and you have to sort of zigzag around it. Also, it's not the prettiest. Like, for instance, here's my husband's stuff he leaves with for work every morning. Our mail sits here. My purse is here. Anything else that's sort of important goes here. Right now we've got all of this junk that we used to make the table essentially, so this is what it looks like now. So, ew. Let's get it replaced. What do you think? Looks way better than it did, doesn't it? Oh man, so much difference. Okay, so here's how it looks now. Way better, or at least I think it was. So I actually wanted to talk to y'all about the pricing for everything here. My husband went to Home Depot. He bought these laminated pine board tabletops, assembled and ready to go. All we did was stain them. So he bought 2 of those, and then he bought some 1-bys to create the frame here, bought some screws. I think we had the stain, we had the polyurethane to make the top nice and shiny. And then I went to Target and purchased this basket, those 2 gold envelopes, these 2 wire baskets on the bottom. So, everything to make the table from Home Depot was $84. So that includes the screws, the paint we used, and then the stuff you see here. Of course, we did already have a saw and a sander, sandpaper, basic tools, screwdrivers, all those things. We already had those. And then as far as the Target stuff goes, for a total of $87, with tax, I got the 2, these gorgeous wire baskets. Freaking love these, because they're kind of almost like a pewter color, and then the handles are brass. They are gorgeous. Those were $16.99 a piece. That basket was the most expensive piece. It was actually $19.99. I normally wouldn't pay that, but I really liked it. It's thick and sturdy feeling, so yeah. These were the best deal. They were $12.99 a piece, and they are thick, heavy metal. And as you saw, it took like 7 seconds to hang them, so yeah, totally a bargain. $12.99. And so cute too. So the whole thing, because we made the table ourselves, cost less than $200. I realize that's probably a lot of money for some people, and if that's the case, I would repurpose whatever you had in your house. Like what we were using before was a dining table we got for free. Surely you can find baskets, bags, bowls and shoe boxes and stuff like that around your house to create something similar. but I really like the way this looks. I like that it adds an element of organization to the house. Like, he knows where his mail is, I know where my mail is, my purse, my wallet, all my crap that I need to leave the house is here, it stays here. In fact, I think it's been sitting in this since probably 5 years. I'm a creature of habit, y'all. I'm a creature of habit. And now here's a dedicated spot for him to place, you know, his ID, that reflective belt thing, his pocket watch, all that kind of stuff. Dedicated space, done, organized. I really like it. What do y'all think? My style is real, like, simple, clean type of situation. Clutter makes me nervous as hell. So, yeah, y'all let me know if you have a command center in your house, how you use it, what you use it for, and if you have any tips for me to make it even more functional, I'd love to hear it. So, thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope to see you again real soon. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed, do that now.